Hello everyone, my name is Armando Petracci. I'm responsible for the education in Framesi. I will show you a beautiful result coming from the combination of two fantastic of our products that will provide shine and brightening with great rapidity. This model we have already divided in 4 sectors, and we will apply special combination of Color Exalt Front Color 2001 cream with ammonia and totally neutral, and combination Front Color Plus Pigment Plus, which is our special pigment that will allow, of course, lightening, brightness, and a very luminous color. Such combination can be used when we lightening freehand, or else for a complete transformation of our client. When you're transforming a hair such as the one you're seeing, you starting from the length to the end as if you are applying brand new color, which is what by the way we're going to do on this model. Recommendation is to start with length and end and then comb. The combination I spoke about includes Front Color Exalt, half of it, and half Front Color Pure Pigment Plus /44 copper color. Such combination can actually apply to many of our colors from our color card, and it is a very winning combination when you want to lighten and decolor and at the same time. Of course, we will then use hydrogen peroxide, and you can start from low volume up until high volume, up until 440 if you want to lighten 3-4 levels. I've used 25 volumes with this model. And this is because this product can both lighten and color at the same time, providing complete uniformity. So she has length and hand, which are lightened with a previous color. Through Color Exalt, we can actually eliminate all the differences that you may appreciate between one sector and the other, and Pure Pigment will allow color. So Color Exalt will remove the color and Pure Pigment will replace the existing pigment. And then the luminosity, the brightness is provided by Decolor B Pro Force 101. This is our new Pro Force. We have added some special ingredients for incredible brightness. And what does brightness come from? We do know about Decolor B Pro Force. We do know that it protects hair during lightening procedure, but when combined with the color, so a color that we are preparing, of course, within the Front Color family, well, that allows extreme brightness on top, because there's a new patent in the top, inside, a new chelating agent, easily biodegradable and sustainable, can remove the metal parts, so the residue of copper that the air would absorb, and there are some perhaps residues that we may absorb from nutrition, or else from hair straightener that a lot of people are using at home, or they're even being absorbed from pollution. So copper and heavy metals can be accumulated in hair, are being absorbed by Decolor B Pro Force, and it will be way easier to remove it from hair for extreme brightness. As you may appreciate, I'm continuing with the application. Length and hand from the base. I'm only scratching with the comb on each and every sector. Such fantastic combination leaves hair super soft, easy to comb, and extremely easy to distribute as well, as the combination of the two products I have introduced to provide us with this beautiful cream which is treating and coloring at the same time. And then of course we do deliver very silky hair and bright at the same time. How is the Decolor B Pro Force 101 being used? Well, it is including this sodium PCA new chelating agent, which is a substance that we produce naturally, phytokeratin, which gives more strength to the hair. It's been blended with color 4 grams every 60 grams from the From Color family color system. From color system, 60 grams of products, you're adding 4 grams of Pro Force. Within the lightening product, we can actually use Decolor B Pro Force 3 different ways. When hair is natural, or the client, the customer, is approaching lightening for the first time, we're going to be using 8 grams in 30 grams of lightening. Whereas if hair is being lightened and so it should be more protected, then we're going to be using 101 directly on the hair. So we will comb hair first and we'll use the product so that it removes from a harmful impact. If the hair is also very damaged and also it is colored and then ends might even break, then there are 2 types of production. A direct production, so the product which is then combed on the hair, and we're adding also 8 grams in 30 grams of lightening product so that we increase protection for the hair. This way we can ensure that the product will lighten in a very easy, fast way and very even way, and the protection that we provide to hair is unparalleled. So greater protection without increasing timing. The differentiating use of Decolor B Pro Force allows evenness, great ability of hydrating hair, extreme brightness, and the chelating procedure of copper that happens in color allows to deliver great brightness. As you may appreciate, during the application you can already see the ability of Color Exalt and Pure Pigment Plus to lighten and color at the same time. You then comb in the end and you leave it for 25 to 30 minutes. When applying on the base, you can either use a different product from Color family or else the same recipe, decreasing the volumes of oxygen. And that is because the keratin in the base is way softer with respect to the other hair, so it requires perhaps less lightening. So I should say perhaps 15 volumes, which is what I've used for this very model.